First coin of the day, just trying a new little spot in the treasure or Valley of Treasures. It looks like a little old laneway going down here. And the first coin of the day is not a Young Lizzie, it's a KG 6 penny today. Awesome. It's a red one. It must be pretty wet here, the ground. 43. 1943. Alright, we'll see you on the next, folks. Ciao. Okay, folks, second coin of the day is a Young Lizzie. Not the first today. Frosty on this side. Okay, see you on the next, folks. Alright folks, we're down in the down in the valley. It's snowing. It's actually quite nice. Yeah, it's been kind of slow. Got a couple of pennies, the George, the Young Lizzie, a Centennial that I didn't bother filming. But I'm pretty sure I just found something silver. Yep. Oh, it's a Georgie. Sweet. What year is that? Looks like a 19? Awesome. Wicked old Georgie silver. Alright. Sweet. And the snow is a-falling. Man, that's bright. There we go. Alright. We'll see you on the next, folks. Georgie, KG5. Alright folks, the snow's coming down. Seeking refuge under this tree. But we're gonna carry on. It's not too much since the silver dime. Alright, just taking a little break while the snow is flying. And we will see you on the next, folks. Alright folks. Just got another Young Lizzie penny. There she is. And it's a snowing in the valley today. It's a snowing in the valley. Alright. Always nice to get a Young Lizzie. Can't see much on this side. Okay, we'll catch you on the next. See you folks. Alright folks, sorry about the wind, but I just got me an old little pickup truck. I think I may have this one already. I think it's a Lenski. Yeah, it's a Lenski. Pretty sure I might have this little pickup already, but that's cool. I gave her a little kiss in the back corner. Alright, wicked. Catch you on the next. See you folks. Alright folks. It looks like we got our first speedy of the day. Hard to see, but it's definitely a weenie. There it is. 1 cent. Hey, there he is. Alright. Cool. Catch you on next, folks. See ya. Alright folks, still plugging away. The snow has stopped. And I'm getting tons of pennies, but it looks like I may just have a silver ring. Not sure. Got the hearts. It looks like silver. Oops, sorry. Let's see if it has anything written on it. Oh yeah, I see the stamp. I see the stamp. Sterling. Right there. Sterling. worn, but it's right in there. There it is, right in there. Stir. Faint. Got some kind of hallmark in it too. Alright, cool. We got us a little ring with hearts and arrows. Okay, I'll catch you on the next, folks. See ya. Okay folks, just doing a little wrap up. Today's short hunt was, a few hours, three hours this afternoon, but it was a cold one in that wind, man. Whew, was it cold. But we got a few goodies. We got what looks like 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 young Liz pennies, 1 kg 6 penny, and 2 wheats. We also got this cool Lenski truck, a little roughed up, but the wheels are all there. I have to give that a good cleaning. I do have one of these already, so it'll be nice to have a pair. Cool, very cool, like the old Lesney toys. Yes, that's it, one of the old Lesney toys. And we got this nice, cool sterling ring. It does say sterling in there somewhere. I think it's right there, it's probably upside down. It's in there. And we got this 1919 925 silver KG5 dime. Alright, it was a good little dig. Thanks for coming out, and we'll catch you on the next, folks. All the best, and see you later.